In this video, you will learn about input form attribute. So basically, we are going to use an attribute whose name is form. So over here in the input element, I have used the form attribute and I have given form1 as its value. Now this value, that is form1, specifies the form element the input element belongs to. The value of this attribute must be the ID attribute of a form element in the same document. And that is why over here in the form element I have written ID attribute and I have given its value as form1, which is same as the value for form attribute in the input element. And that is how we are able to link this input element with this form element. And this is how it looks on the browser. So this input element, that is last name, is linked with this form with the help of form attribute. So I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you.